Hello everyone, I'm Howard. Nice to meet you. I'm from Jianzhi Casting Group. We are professional manufacturer of malleable pipe fittings, including galvanized and black pipe fittings. Today, I will introduce how to see or how to verify the quality of the fittings, because from the outlook of fittings, it seems it's so similar. So what we can verify or clarify the quality for different fittings. Okay, so first one we need to, our fittings is certified by FM&UL certification. So our fittings will have FM&UL marks on the fittings. So you can see this is our fitting. We have FM and UL, the marks. So it is proved by FM&UL. We also have this kind of certificate files. This one is for FM. It's for firefighting system. The next one is for UL. It is for the water and also for drinking water system. The second one is to use or select the class A raw material. For raw material, we use malleable iron. So for our malleable iron can reach 350 MPa. It is tensile strength. And for elongation, we can reach 10%. And our hardness is less than 150 HB. For our fittings can be used, the highest temperature is 200 degrees, and the working pressure can reach 2.5 MPa. So this is the forms we can reach. The third one is for the thread accuracy. The thread accuracy is much higher than Euro standards. For example, this is for the nipple. We usually the thread length must be matched for the Euro standards, and also for the turns, the thread turns. The thread turns numbers also must be exactly the same as Euro standards. So this is for external thread. For the internal thread, it is also the same requirement as Euro standards. For the anxious angle, this parameter, our standards is much higher. It's about 20% higher than Euro standards. So this is our logo. Okay. The fourth one is to wall thickness. The wall thickness is not listed in Euro standard, but it is also a keyword or parameter to test the fittings, whether it is good quality. So you can see this is our fitting of our cloth, but we cut it into two pieces. So I will show you. You can see this is the wall thickness. This is also wall thickness. But we have special designs for the run out. If you see this one, this thickness is significant, is much thicker than this one. So this is the special designs. We call it run out. For example, if you pipe thread screw inside, our run out special designs can protect your pipes and also protect our wall thickness. So it is our special designs. For wall thickness, it is much thicker, and also we have run out special design here. The fifth one is for the galvanized zinc coating. The galvanized zinc coating is very good for anti-rusting. So for these fittings, it is hot dip galvanized. For hot glue galvanized in Jianzhi fittings, we use firstly for galvanized and second is for thread. By this producing precision, we can protect our thread very well, and also we ensure whatever the outside zinc and inside zinc, it is the same. You can see this is the inside, this one is outside. So the zinc coating is even, is equal, no difference. According to the Euro standards, our zinc thickness can reach 500 grams per square meters, and the thickness can reach 70 It is no problem. The sixth one is to inspect. Inspect is very important for fittings quality. We ensure our fittings, we test one by one, and no each left. We test the air tightness. For air tightness from the Europe standards, it only need 5 bars for pneumatic air, but we use 6 bars pneumatic air to test our fittings. In the higher pressure, we see whether our fittings have the leak problem. So from this kind of the test ways, we can ensure our fittings have fantastic performance. It is no problem. From the above 6 points, you will know our fittings with a good quality. So we hope and wish each consumer from the global market, you can see our fittings. So once you find one gray pipe fittings or blowholes pipe fittings, this is bad quality fittings if coming from our Jianzhi brand. I will reward you the money. For example, if you find one gray pipe fittings, will reward you $230 US. And if you want one blowholes pipe fittings, you will reward $70 US. So this is our highest reward policy. So that is we have confidence for our fittings with good quality. Okay, so from above points, you will know if you just see the fittings is almost similar, but the price is quite different. So you can see from the 6 points, you will know the difference of fittings. That is also our reasons for why our fittings is the top rank in China. If you have any question or any request in future, you can contact with us. Also, you can contact with our website. Our persons will give you a personal consultant. Welcome to our website. See you next time. I'm Howard. Bye-bye.